Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun, and welcome to Rajshri Food. Well, today's recipe is my all-time favorite vegetable mix, and this one is from Kerala. It's called Aviyal. Well, history has it that Aviyal was prepared by Bhima in the kitchens of King Virat. Also, history has it that Bhima was not a great cook. He did not know how to cook. So what he did, he took all the vegetables that were available in the kitchen, he put some water and put it to cook. Right towards the end, he added a coconut chutney. Eventually, when King Virat had to serve his guests, they loved this recipe. They loved this whole mix of vegetables, and that was where Aviyal was born, which typically is translated to cooking in water or boiled. And that's what the genesis of this recipe is. Well, in Kerala itself, it's cooked in various ways. Some parts of Kerala, North Kerala especially, adds karela or bitter gourd to something like this. In some parts of Kerala, they add in tomatoes. This is generally a mix of 13 vegetables. I could lay my hands on some 7-8 of them today, and I'm making an Aviyal. Let's begin.
Let's begin with Elephant Foot Yam, also known as Suran. Along with this, Drumsticks and carrots. Let's add in hot water, just enough to cook the vegetables, and along with this, salt. Light the flame and allow this to cook till it's 3/4 done. For the paste, the core ingredient, of course, is freshly grated coconut. To this, I'm going to add in cumin seeds. Along with this, chilies to spice it up. Just snip them roughly. And to this, I'm also going to add in turmeric powder. Let's grind this into a fine paste. Our paste is done and ready. Now let's wait for the first batch of vegetables to get cooked.
The hard vegetables are kind of just beginning to cook. This is the time when we add in the second layer of vegetables, and this is semi-hard. So let's do that.
During the cooking process, I'm also going to add in raw bananas. And allow this to continue cooking.
Well, in today's Aviyal that I'm making, I could not lay my hands on two ingredients that generically are available all through the year: raw mangoes and yellow pumpkin or red pumpkin. I could not lay my hands on them because they were not of the best quality, so I chose these vegetables. But again, like I said, if you can get these two at least, then you can take the number a little higher. Anybody who knows the list of all the 13 vegetables, please let me know in the description box below.
Beginning with French beans, followed by Ash Gourd, white pumpkin, and last but not the least, Madras cucumber or Mangalore cucumber. Let's give this a quick stir. At this stage, I'm going to add in some more hot water and allow this to cook. And because the earlier vegetables or the hard vegetables had cooked almost 75%, this is the time when it all gets cooked together and reaches around 90%.
Our coconut chutney paste or chutney mix is done and ready. Let's add this to the vegetable mix, and this is where the flavor of Aviyal is. So please follow the recipe the way I'm showing you.
Let's give all of this a good mix, and at this stage allow the vegetables to cook till they're perfectly well done. The vegetables have perfectly cooked. At this stage, we quickly check for salt. If the salt is less, like in this case, yes it is. I'm going to add in salt as required.
At this stage, if you taste the avial, you may think it's a notch on the spicier side. But trust me, it's just perfect, because eventually when the entire vegetable gets cooked with all the ingredients, all the flavors will get beautifully emulsified with each other, and that's why you get the most amazing avial. The next ingredient that goes in is curd, whipped curd. Well, there are also sects or sections in Kerala that avoid curd completely and add in pulp of raw mango. Choice is completely yours. You can also do 50-50. I've tried it in the past and it turns very well, let me tell you.
And quickly add in whipped curd. Mix this well and cook this not more than a minute. It's become like a wonderful stew of vegetables. Mix this well and cook this, like I said, not more than a minute.
With this, off goes the flame, because the vegetables are cooked and ready. The coconut mix has reached its wonderful flavor. Curd or raw mango pulp has beautifully given it that creaminess and that sourness that is required for an avial. Off goes the flame, and let's add in two very important ingredients. The first one is very good quality coconut oil, and the second one are curry leaves. Let's do it.
With this, off goes the flame. I'm adding in two quick ingredients, rather flavors. First one is very good quality coconut oil, and lastly some curry leaves. We cover this, allow the curry leaves and the coconut to steep in perfectly and beautifully well.
With this, your lip smacking avial is done and ready. Now, whether you want to have this with appams or idiyappams or steamed rice, or like me, just like that, trust me, it's going to be wonderful. On that note, do not forget to stay tuned to Rajshri Food for more such quick, simple and easy recipes. Bye for now.